Good morning, everybody. Today we are going to revise question answers of the topic the 12 months. This is the revision, okay? Revision of the lesson the 12th month. So, we have seen the story. How Marupla, she obeyed all the orders of her sister and her stepmother. In this way, she doing the things that they ordered her. And lastly, she is very good. That's why she got the cottage and the land, whatever the land around it. She married a kind husband and they both live happily after their marriage. So this is the last of this last scene of the story. In this way, we have finished the story, the 12 months. Okay. Now, today we are going to revise the question answers. It is very important, okay? We are revising question answers. Now, first question is find the meaning of the following words. You have to find out the meaning of the following words. So, first word is adorning. What is the meaning of the word adorning? We have written this meaning. Adorning. Adorning means decorating. Adorning means here decorating. The Christmas tree was adorned with bells, bows, stars, and ribbons. Means Christmas tree decorated with all these things. Bows, stars, ribbons, bells. Okay, adorning, decorating. Rated. Second word is rated. Rated means scolded. Rated means scolded. Mother rated me for breaking the window. Mother rated me for breaking the window. Okay. Third, abused. Treated with cruelty. Abuse means treated with cruelty. The Britishers abused the Indians during our freedom struggle. Abuse means treated with cruelty, very bad treatment. That is abused. The Britishers abused the Indians during our freedom struggle. Number 4, starlets. Flowers in the shape of stars. Starlets mean flowers in the flowers in the shape of stars. Delicious. Delicious means very tasty. The Indian cuisine means Indian cooking is very delicious. Okay. Cuisine is very delicious. Read the words, write the words that combine to make each of them. So we are done with stepmother. So we have to write the words, combine the two words and make a word stepmother. Stepmother is equal to step plus mother. Okay. Step plus mother is equal to stepmother. So first you have to write down stepmother. We have written this. We are only doing revision. So stepmother is equal to step plus mother. Second word is footprint. Foot plus print. Footprint. Snow white. Snow plus white. Snow white. Springtime. Spring plus time. Springtime. Gentle hearted. Gentle plus hearted. Gentle hearted. Anywhere. Any plus where. Anywhere. Understood? Now, write other meaningful words that begin and end with. That begin or end with the first word in each. The second word in each. First word also we have to write in second word. The first word in each. So you have done this. Okay. And answer the following questions. You have to check all the answer. Okay. Answer the following questions. I'll tell you slowly. You have to check it from your copy. Why did Morukala's stepmother hate her? Why did Morukala's stepmother hate her? उसका गुस्सा क्यों करती, उसको अच्छा क्यों नहीं देखती थी? तो इन मराठी वी कॉल तिरस्कार ना, हेटिंग, उसे प्यार नहीं करती because of what is the reason? So question is, why did Morukala's stepmother hate her? Morukala's stepmother hate her because she was prettier than her own daughter Helena. She was prettier than her own daughter Helena. That's why she hated her. Morukala's stepmother hated her because she was prettier than her own daughter Helena. Okay. In what season does the story take place? In what season does the story take place? Okay. So answer is, the story takes place in the winter season because there is a snowfall. The story takes place in the winter season. Question number 3. Does Morukala get any of the things she brings? Does Morukala gets any of the things she brings? No, Morukala didn't get any of the things she brought. Her wicked stepmother and stepsister enjoyed them all by themselves. They don't give her a single piece or whatever the things. Okay. So answer is no. Morukala did not get any of the things she brought. Her wicked stepmother and stepsister enjoyed them all by themselves. Next question. Why do Helena and her mother go out in the snow themselves? Why did Helena and her mother go out in the snow themselves. So why did they go out in the snow? Helena and her stepmother went out to the snow themselves because they wanted more apples. उनको ज़्यादा apples चाहिए थे इसलिए. Because they wanted more apples and they felt that Marupla wouldn't eat all the apples if they sent her to get them. And what they feel that Marupla would eat all the apples if they sent her to get them. Why is Great January annoyed with Helena and her mother? Does he help them? Does he help them? Helena and her mother reacted reached where the big fire was burning and the 12 months were sitting. Exactly, they reached Helena and stepmother and her mother. They reached there where the fire is burning and the 12 months were sitting. They stepped up to the fire and stretched out their hands to warm them. Without asking permission or speaking a polite word, instead, they were very rude to them. This annoyed Great January. He did not help them. Instead, he swung the club over his head, which made the snow fall thick and icy. Wind began to blow, because of which Helena and her mother were lost in it forever. Okay. So this is about the Helena and her mother go out for the snow themselves. Now, describe the following with the help of the story. Springtime. You have to write a type of short note. You have to write down about springtime, summer, and winter. Okay. So springtime. During springtime, which begins in March, the snow begins to melt. The trees begin to bud with fresh flowers. The frozen ground once again is covered with grass. Colorful flowers are seen. The temperature is warmer and it seems as if the earth has come back to life. The season comes after winter. The season comes after winter. Now, second one is summer. During summer, the temperature is very hot. It is hottest in June. The ground is covered with grass. The trees are covered with leaves and flowers. The birds and animals are very happy. We can hear the singing of birds. The forests are filled with all kinds of colored flowers. Life seems wonderful. Life seems wonderful. Okay. Winter time. The coldest month is January. Snow falls thick, covering the ground with deep snow. It becomes difficult for man to move outside the house. There are no flowers or fruits on the trees. Icy winds blow, making one sit in front of fire or warmth. Okay, so this is about the winter. Okay. So this is the question answers of the topic, the 12 months. Understood? So your homework is revise all the questions. Revise all the questions of this lesson. So do your homework, we stop here.